Well, hello there. Welcome to Dashcam Lessons. Before we get into it, I notice only a small portion of you guys who watch are currently subscribed. So if you like my content and would like to know when a new video comes out, smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Be the best decision you've ever made. Now let's get into it.
Left. Play action. Rolling. To his left. Throwing downfield.
Oh my God! Are you?
Out of bounds.
Oh my Christ. What the f is wrong with you, dude?
Volleyball player. It's certainly going to end up being a favorite target of his. On the field, all of his outside.
I thought I was going to watch people die today. Holy Christ.
Receipt and bam, up to 25 cents a gallon cash back. You don't have to tell me twice. I'm downloading the free Get Upside Gas app now. Download the free Get Upside app now in the App Store or Google Play and save up to 25 cents.
Well, not to my mom's one.
There's nothing like that. Of course, as we get older, everyone gets busy. Christmas, it just brings everyone together to catch up, to share stories.
You! I got you on camera! I got you on camera! Yeah! Holy fucking shit, I'm about to get hit. God.
Are you okay?
Damn it.
Are you okay? Did someone hit you?
In 1,000 feet, turn left on Boulevard.
Jesus. Look at that. Oh, man.
Like
Some
almost to a stop here.
This
Turning.
is not almost a stop. This is like 15 miles an hour.
The speed limit's 40,
Okay, I don't know what this
and
guy's
they didn't
doing.
signal, and
Oh,
they drove off the road.
what in the...
What the heck?
Oh, shoot. I'm pulling over for that. Yeah, they've got... I think they might have been drunk.
Watch out! Watch out!
Like this prick. Cute.
Eastern, 9 a.m. Pacific. You're going to hear performances from artists like Korn, Godsmack, Metallica, Linkin Park, Rage Against the Machine, and so many others. And our very own Cavino is going to host this with Lejean Witherspoon of Seven Dust. So really, really cool. So excited to just have this.
Stupid son of a Are you f***ing kidding me? No, I can't get out of my car because this asshole pulled out in front of me. I'm f***ing stuck in here. Yeah, I'm f***ing sliding on the snow because you want to f***ing pull out.
I only saw...
It doesn't f***ing matter what you can see. If you can't f***ing see, don't move.
I could see you.
Where's Jared? If you could see me, why the f*** would you move?
Because I thought you were turning. It was an accident.
Did you see a turn signal on? No, you saw my f***ing four-ways on.
Driver's side one.
You're stupid, dude.
The turn signal.
I didn't mean it that way. What I meant is you're reading. Whoa! What the hell? No, you stay back, man. I'm A, pissed off, and B, don't. God damn it, man. No, you didn't see shit.
Holy shit.
Breakfast with Aubrey, but then she's got to leave at 11 to go pick up her sibling.
Oh, shit.
Holy shit. Alright, should I dial 911?
Yeah, dial 911 right now. I just got that on Dash.
Yeah, we'll pull off. Since they might want that.
You